Okay, so we're started. Got the thing in rewind mode, which is the Aiwa 600. And I've never, oh, it does work. Look at that. So you hit both buttons together, rewind, review, and with play and rewind together, it rewinds to the beginning and it starts once again. Now the YouTube people who didn't see that, because I have the thing, I have the camera focused on my pictures on the computer screen. So I'm just trying to run through this real super fast, unlike ever before. So there's the inside, like, oh, come on now. Is that, or let's use the keyboard, it's quicker rather than using that. Alright, so there's the inside, the tuner, the wires, the inside, the tape deck. Those pictures I took. I've already done this once before, so I think I'm back to the beginning. Have I already been through this once? Yeah, that's okay. So anyway, so much for that group of pictures. So get out of here, close that folder, right? And go here. Here's a continuation because it's in 2 different months. That's how I keep track of this stuff. So there's a tape deck, and then just pictures of the wires, pictures of the motor, underside, that side, top side, front side again, the motor, the belt. Here I'm cleaning the thing off. I saw I did it, and this, again, this is a 5-inch belt, or just hair under, like about a 3 or 4 millimeter wide flat belt, main belt, okay? Like nearly 13 centimeters or something like that. And this is secondary belt, is about 9 centimeters or 90 millimeters, whichever you prefer, a little bit bigger than that maybe. And then here, I had to do a lot of reading to understand. Anyway, long story short, I replaced that part there, the capacitor. There's that, and that's the original, and that's what it changed to. And that's, or no, okay, that's the one I replaced right there, and then there's the original, or no, that's, I'm so confused. I did a lot of work on this thing. Anyway, long story short, it works, it plays, that's it. So it plays, okay, so now, alright, so now let me move this one down. Alright, so I'm playing this right now as we speak. So here, there it's playing, right? Okay, so playing. Let me check out the Facebook camera, because I got that going on. So let me move this down. It should be live, but it is live. Okay, so, and can I zoom in? Well, that's good enough. All right, fine. So let me just rotate this. This is playing. I already showed a day or two ago, or whenever it was, at the let's see, so that's okay. So that's DSL off, on. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a definite difference in the bass. Off. Stop that for a second. Here's just a few seconds of Led Zeppelin. Okay, just like I said, a few seconds. Go back to this. Right, like that. So that works. The radio works. A holly jolly Christmas, and in case you did. Anyway, the tape deck works. All right, so stop that, take this out, put this here, put that there. And nobody likes to use batteries, but I do. I use these Zentner batteries. They're rechargeable with a USB-C, okay? You stick it in, anyway, you're not going to go there. Should know about that by now. Okay, so now, unplug that, put that over here, and now, I just tried making a reel on Facebook earlier this morning, and so here is a Aiwa, where does it say it on here? Anywhere? Anyway, it's a stereo 660. There we go. So this is a bigger model. Physically bigger, but it takes only 8 batteries, whereas the 600 takes 9, which I think is interesting. But let me plug this in because nobody likes to use batteries. Okay. Wait, did I? Okay, well, it's plugged in, right? So turn it on. Wait, wrong one. Yeah.
Wonderful time.
So much for that. All right, so again, now this one plays slow, as I discovered. Well, now it plays fast. Well, earlier it didn't. Well, the tape kind of doesn't work, but this one has cute little VU meters, which maybe you can see or not. Where's the handle? Let's see. Let me try again a few seconds of this. A few seconds. All right, so that works, but I believe the tape is running slow. Try a different tape. Just to see if we can. It just sounds off a bit to me. Anyway, so there's that. Tape kind of doesn't work, so I'm going to service this model and put it up for sale. I just want to show you that it works. The other one is for sale as well. Okay? And let's see here. I think this has batteries in it. Let's try that. Batteries are low. That's what it is. I need to charge the batteries in this. That's all it was. Okay. Battery charge. Okay. That's what the problem was. Okay. Well. Anyway, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to service this model here today. And then the next one I'm going to service is a Prosonic PQR 9962, because someone else has one for sale and I keep forgetting that I need to service mine and get it out there. Alright, so good day everybody, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. I gotta shut all this stuff off. Let me see here. So here's this. Alright, so here's this one down there on the floor. Right. So here's 8 minutes, great, it's not so long. Here's this one here, it looks like that. And get all my stuff out of the way, over there, and unplug it, get this out of the way, and let's see. This has got, what has it got up here? It's got a line-in radio tape, stereo mono, normal, chrome, and metal, bass, treble, balance, volume, shortwave, and all that. Okay, it's got world voltage on here. Okay, and what else? It says this on the back, right? And then I think this has the blue batteries in here. Yeah, it's got the blue ones. So those are the orange ones. These are the blue ones, but they need to be charged. Okay, we will do that here in a little bit. So it's a, again, what was it? It's a 600H. Okay, and this one is a, what is this one? This is a different colored model. This is a 600C. I don't know if what that means, but anyway, that's all we know. All right, well, here, we can just leave it up here. Okay, so, and this one takes, let's see here, this one takes 9 batteries. I think that's funny. Okay, so like that, and this one's just see if we lined it up like that, this one's just a fraction bigger, right? Okay, I've had too much fun here. All right, thanks for watching. It's been 10 minutes. Good day, bye bye.